Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we do have some more exciting news. So Bone will be growing probably in 2022. We all want to see Shiba Inu's growth pretty much soon, and I definitely do hope it happens. Now Bone's taking represented, and you can see here this will attract a lot more people into Shiba Inu because people are making animated videos in their own free time. Shiba Inu needs a lot of new buyers to reach 1 cent. It needs either a huge burn or a lot new buyers. But we do have some positive indicators. For example, the Coinbase listing. A lot more things could be happening. Hopefully we can get more and more support. But have you voted for SHIB yet? Definitely do if you can. Now the SHIB project joins Shiba Swap, and this means there is going to be another burn. As a new wolfable pair, provide liquidity and trade your SHIB with us. Receive Bone and SHIB for your LPs. But the most important factor here that all of the people are interested in, SHIB, welcome to Shiba Inu army. The most important factor here is we're getting a huge burn. Finally, we're seeing more and more and more of the potential of SHIB. But people are trying to change the crypto markets right now. They're heavily regulated. It's what's keeping the price down. Another price trend that's happening is that we still have no confirmation on what's happening with the relief fund. If we could get more info on how the relief fund is sold, the 5% of the donation from Vitalik, how is and where is that currently, that would gain again a lot more trust from investors. But something the Shiba Inu devs have been doing for a long time is actually getting the investors and telling them new updates that are happening in the crypto community. So I'm really excited for that, as the Shiba Inu team announced that they're finally going to be becoming decentralized but fully working together on becoming the next big thing. Now Cream Finance DeFi platform loses 19 million in a flash loan attack. So this is not going to happen to Shiba Swap, don't worry. But a lot of you probably saw this, and the Cream Finance hacker gained 18.8 million by exploiting a re-entrancy bug in the AMP token in a set of 17 transactions. That's simply crazy to me. He got 18 million out of this. So that's a lot of money. And Cream V1 market on Ethereum has suffered an exploit, resulting in a loss of so much AMP and 1,300 in Ethereum by way of re-entrancy on the AMP token contract. We stopped this exploit by pausing supply and borrow on AMP. No other markets were affected. So this is a lot of money coming in. Now the hacker makes a flash loan of 500 Ethereum and deposits the funds as collateral. Then the hacker borrows 19 million AMP and makes use of re-entrancy bug to re-borrow 355 Ethereum inside the AMP token transfer. Then the hacker self-liquidates, then borrows. So basically, he duplicated it and made a lot of money. They're actively monitoring their address for any movement, which, as we can see, the hacker made a lot of money so far. But that's it. Will we be seeing another bull run? Will this affect Shiba Inu's prices? Will they dump Ethereum? A lot of times, these hackers dump all the Ethereum they can for real-world money. But in the end, a lot of whales keep buying Ethereum back. Now, betting on Bitcoin bull run, not in September, Bitcoin price data says. Next month is a classic underperformer for Bitcoin USD, and judging by the current price action, 2021 is no exception. So we won't be seeing a new bull run in 2021. This doesn't mean that we're not going to be seeing another big increase, but September 2021 looks like a classic for Bitcoin. As Bitcoin matures, it becomes much more noticeable that the Bitcoin USD behaves in a similar way during the same month each year. And each year, we're seeing the same months happening and different prices are out there for any of you holders. But Q4 is a clear standout for top performance, especially in the year following a block subsidy halving. By contrast, January tends to be bearish. All through this year was a suspicious exception to the rule. So right now, if we check over here, are we going to be seeing growth? You can see here 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. And if we check September over here, it's all been red except in 2016 and 2015. There's been a small increase. So we might be seeing a correction, but in October, November, and December, we're going to be seeing a new bull run. Look at these. It's all green here. It's all green. And this is something we're probably going to be seeing, a massive bull run for SHIB in either October, November, or December. So get ready, everyone, because this is when I think a new bull run for SHIB will happen. Will it reach the new at its highest? That I am not sure of. But one thing I'm for sure is that SHIB still has a lot of potential to go where it deserves. Now, better luck in quarter 4. September is already tipped to deliver a significantly lower price zone than August. Something like Plan B, creator of the stock-to-flow model, Bitcoin price models, said is merely a data technicality. So while in September we might get a correction, I'm still not sure because we still have El Salvador coming in a few days, and there's a lot more countries that could be coming into crypto. Now, Binance Australia onboards former digital exec as a new CEO. This is really awesome. Binance has been having a lot of regulation, and this means more Australians can now focus on buying Shiba Inu. The former head of the world's first publicly listed blockchain firm is the new CEO of Binance Australian subsidiary. Are we going to be seeing a new bull run in quarter 4 of 2021? I definitely do hope so, because if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, Shiba Inu will definitely follow with the price action. As long as we can sell that relief fund, that would be really, really exciting. Now, there's another really important hot wallet hack, and a lot of SHIB is stolen out of this. Billix Exchange suspends website after ERC20 hot wallet hack. Billix cryptocurrency exchange is yet to announce the value of funds lost to a hacking incident that occurred on Saturday. So these hacks are happening left and right. By the time of writing, the tokens are valued at 170,000, with the most recent transaction sending out 50 Ethereum or about 160,000. So they had 295 different ERC tokens hacked. And this is a serious hack. Like, a lot of these sites are getting hacked left and right. And we can see that all of that means that there might be dumping the markets with these altcoins. They might be laundering them and then dumping all of the coins. So according to an update from decentralized finance protocol Hodge Finance, the attack involved a hack and transfer of nearly 300 cryptocurrencies, including Tether, USD, Uniswap, and other. Hodge Finance said that they nearly all Billix's 1 billion Hodge out of an alleged total of 22 million drained from the exchange was sent to another wallet. So Billixi did not immediately respond to Cointelegraph's request for comment. The exchange told customers that it will collaborate with security institutions and law enforcement to provide security audits and launch an investigation. According to data from crypto tracking website CoinMarketCap, Billixi was launched in 2018 and is registered by the Republic of Seychelles. At the time of writing, the exchange's Twitter account has over 25,000 followers. The news comes as Liquid Exchange gradually recovers from a nearly 100 million hack that took place in mid-August. On Sunday, Liquid resumed deposits and withdrawals for several cryptocurrencies, including ERC20 and Stellar-based USDC, DAI, and Gen. So it seems like a lot of these exchanges are getting hacked. Will Shiba Swap get hacked as well? It's not likely. With a multi-sig wallet, it's much harder to get hacked unless a hacker on Shiba Swap would get an access to all of these wallets or would have some sort of an exploit to hack the site. While Shiba Swap is almost impossible to be hacked, it's not the same thing for other sites, as Shiba Swap is under Certix audit. The 15 finalists will be mentored by the mass and given access to the APIS digital currency sandbox for rapid prototyping of digital currency solutions. So Singapore coming in, and central bank shortlist 15 companies to develop retail CBDC. Now, leading DeFi project, and DeFi is basically Shiba Swap, launch 100 million global adoption initiative. The initiative, built on a CeeLo ecosystem, identified lack of inclusivity and accessibility. Another $100 million investment in the cryptocurrency market. But Bitcoin's key momentum metric just flashed bearish with Bitcoin price pinned under 50,000. So right now, it's not going to grow. Shiba Inu is not going to be going that much up, but it's going to be seeing a correction, and hopefully in quarter 4 we can see that big growth after September, and I definitely do hope so, as crypto finally deserves a chance to seriously grow. Bitcoin has broken the LTF bullish structure. Main target remains 38k as long as it stays below 50k. If it finally drops to that level, buy as much as you can. So after passing 1 trillion in crypto transactions, blockchain.com CFO hints at going public in 2023. Many of these companies are going public, and when they go public, this means a lot of new investors, a lot of new stock investors can actually buy and come in. With these going public, like for example, Robinhood went public, and now they can have further and more regulation with more reasons to countries to come in and maybe investing and pumping up SHIB, hopefully. She added that the company's balance sheet consists of Bitcoin, Ether, altcoins, and cash. So that's all the news we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace everyone.